In this video, I will be doing plumbing work. I lay down a cardboard to protect the shower pan. When I cut the PEX pipe, I try to cut it as straight as possible. Then I insert the copper ring and then I put in the drop ear elbow. I try to leave 1/8 of an inch at the end and then crimp it with the crimp tool. Then I use this tool to make sure it is crimped properly. Then I screw in the drop ear elbow. Then I took the measurement for the shower valve to make it level with my shower panel when I install it. Now I'm gonna fit the PEX through those walls. Cut it to length. Then insert the copper ring and crimp them into place. This water line gonna be for the toilet. I decide to fit it on top instead of the crawl space because it was easier for me to do. Then I added some PEX support to keep it in place. I bring the water line full size as close to the bathroom as possible, which is 3/4 of an inch. Then I reduce it down to a 1/2 inch. Then secure it in place. The majority work for the water line are almost done. I have to add some support to those lines to keep them from wobbling. The cold water line split into 3 branches and the hot water line split into 2 branches. This is gonna be the vanity area. I just have plastic on them for now to keep debris out of them. This is the toilet line again. I will be adding the water stop valve after I install the drywall. I'm really glad I was able to bend those pegs in the corner. It reduced the amount of fitting I have to install. I have to go to the supply store to get some nail plates and install them to prevent screws and nails from going into the PEX pipe and causing a leak in the future. Now this bathroom is one step closer to being done. Thank you very much for coming to my channel. Have a good one.